A very good morning and once again welcome to Aarti's Talk. Well, what a lovely and pleasing Sunday morning. दोस्तों आरती स्टॉक बनाने के पीछे मेरा मेन मकसद है जहां मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर सकूं वैल्यूबल, इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यूजफुल नॉलेज, इंफॉर्मेशन और आइडियाज विच आई हैव फ्रॉम द बुक्स ओनली. वेल, अगर मैं अपने बारे में बात करूं दोस्तों तो आई लव टू रीड. इन फैक्ट रीडिंग इज द डेली पार्ट ऑफ माई रूटीन. There is not even a single day when I can stay without the reading. So, हम सब चाहते हैं कि हम एक बेहतर समाज में रहें और इस बेहतर समाज की शुरुआत होगी आपसे और मुझसे. जी हाँ, जब हम एक खुद बेहतर इंसान बनेंगे तभी हम एक बेहतर समाज बना पाएंगे. After reading, I have gained a lots of skill in my own self, and I think that is the reason people call me today a loving daughter, a very demanding friend, गुड सोशल वर्कर एज वेल एज अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ माई टॉप फेवरेट 5 दोज बुक्स विच हैज रियली हेल्प मी अलॉट इन इम्प्रूविंग माई पर्सनैलिटी. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड प्लीज स्टे ट्यून विथ मी अप टू द लास्ट. दोस्तों, अगर मैं आपसे अपने बारे में बात करूं सो आज से ऑलमोस्ट 8 साल पहले आई स्टार्ट माई ऑन बिजनेस. आई एम अ फैशन डिजाइनर और मैंने जब अपना बिजनेस शुरू करा था तो इसी थॉट के साथ शुरू करा था दैट आई एम अ वेरी क्रिएटिव पर्सन और मेरा प्रोडक्ट तो सबको पसंद आएगा. एंड देयर आई वॉज रॉन्ग एंड दैट्स द रीजन इन इनिशियल ईयर्स आई हैव स्ट्रगल अ लॉट. क्योंकि आप चाहे जितने भी टैलेंटेड हो और फुल ऑफ स्किल्स क्यों ना हो, आपकी खुद की पर्सनल इमेज बहुत मैटर करती है. आज की वीडियो मेरे लिए डेडिकेट है हर एक उस इंसान के लिए जो सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट में बिलीव करता है. ईदर यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, यू आर अ एम्प्लॉय, यू आर इन बिजनेस और अ होम मेकर, दिस वीडियो इज फॉर एवरीवन. So back to my stories. In earlier year when I was really struggling and facing lots of failure in my business, at that time एक अच्छा जो मैंने काम करा था वो था I start reading the books. और दोस्तों, धीरे धीरे टाइम के साथ एक के बाद मुझे अपनी हर प्रॉब्लम्स का सल्यूशन मिलता गया. इन फैक्ट आई सो प्लेजर टू से टुडे दैट बुक्स आर माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, माय मेंटोर एंड माय कंपनी. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ जो 5 बुक शेयर करने वाली हूँ दैट हैज रियली हेल्प मी अलॉट इन इम्प्रूविंग माय ऑन सेल्फ पर्सनल इमेज. यस, मेरा खुद के प्रति अपना नज़रिया पॉजिटिव हुआ है और उसका इम्पैक्ट मुझे सिर्फ बिजनेस में नहीं जबकि हर एक एरिया ऑफ लाइफ में पॉजिटिव ही मिला है. सो दिस आर दोज 5 बुक्स. Number 1 book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. दोस्तों, मेरा जन्म हुआ है भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली में. Originally I belong to Andhra, so that's why my mother tongue is Telugu. अपनी स्कूलिंग डेज में मुझे ये सिखाया गया था कि किस तरह से हमारा देश विभिन्न भाषाओं और संस्कृतियों का देश है जिसपे हमें फक्र भी होना चाहिए. हमें स्कूलिंग में ये भी एजुकेशन दी गई थी कि किस तरह से हमें अपने बड़ों से बात करनी चाहिए, उनसे रिस्पेक्टफुली आप करके एड्रेस करना चाहिए, सॉफ्टली एंड हम्बली हमारा वे ऑफ टोन होना चाहिए. सो दिस वॉज ऑल इन इनिशियल डेज ऑफ आवर learning of the language. But what's about later on? When we grown up, we are teenager, either we are applying for going to college or for the new job or we are in a business. तब हमारे बात करने का लहजा क्या होना चाहिए, तब हमें किस तरह से लोगों से पेश आना चाहिए. वेल दोस्तों, इस बुक के थ्रू मुझे सबसे पहले एक गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को इम्प्रूव करने का. आई रियली गेट प्रेजेंट दैट हाउ criticism is a dangerous thing. How, when you genuinely appreciate someone, how magically it works. How you're simply keeping the smile over the face, that works. And how you're like approaching the people with their content, what is good for them. And when you take action, how speedily you get the results. These are the teeny things, but this book is full of lots of skills and lots of valuable information that you can implement in your communication and can get results. End of the results. Whatever you want, you can get only if you skilled up your communication level. So very strong recommendation. Please do read and get really skilled up in your communication. Number 2 is Awaken the Giant Within You by Anthony Robin. This is one of the international bestseller. दोस्तों, अपनी वीडियो की स्टार्टिंग में मैंने आपसे शेयर करा था कि किस तरह से व्हेन आई स्टार्ट माय बिजनेस विद दिस थॉट कि या आई एम वेरी क्रिएटिव, मेरा प्रोडक्ट तो सबका पसंद आएगा, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी इनिशियल ईयर्स में आई रियली फेस अ लॉट्स ऑफ फेलियर्स एंड द रीजन वाज व्हाट पर्सनल इमेज आई वाज कैरिंग विद इन मी. दोस्तों, I really get present, like this book has taught me how my emotions work. Am I proving to someone, or am I doing what I love to do? Am I taking the actions based on my pain, or am I taking the actions based on the pleasure? What are the value of the emotions? What are the value of your personal image, your own decision powers, and lots of, like, look at the size of these books. I think I took around 2.5 months to finish this books, but this actually has boosted up me. This has changed a lot my personal reality, like how I was and now how I am. I am now so much living my life. So guys, do read this book. You will get the chance to meet your own self, why you are like this, what action you are taking, and why it is coming. All this, like this book, I will say must read. Don't look at the size. Just start reading it, implementing it, and find a new best person in you. My third book is Ikigai. This is the book of The Japanese Secret of Long and Happy Life. दोस्तों, आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं, क्या आप लंबी जिंदगी चाहते हैं? अगर आप लंबी जिंदगी चाहते हैं तो उस लंबी जिंदगी में करना क्या चाहते हैं? Well, when I asked this question, मेरे को था क्या मेरी लंबी जिंदगी होगी, और अगर मेरी लंबी जिंदगी होगी तो मैं क्या करूंगी? Might I do traveling? Might I will be in some social working? That's it. मेरे पास कोई आंसर ही नहीं था. But this book has tremendously changed my mindset, and I've been fortunate because in 2020 this was the first book I read out, and I think that is the reason my lockdown stands one of the golden time in my life. Guys, I get present what I am. What, like, if this book's at the front and the back, there is a diagram which says what you love to do, what you are good into that, what world is looking for, and what you can be paid off. So this entire diagram actually get connected to you with your own passion towards your life. And when you work on your passion, you really get present how valuable, how important, and how this precious life is. And my one promise for sure, if you read this out, the one favorite personality in your life would be your own self. Yes, you will fall in your love with yourself so deeply that you will start, like, yes, you will not think yourself less than everyone. You gonna be on the top of the air apart from the world. So please do read this book, get connected with your passion, and love your life. My fourth favorite book is A Monk Who Sold Ferrari by Robin Sharma, an Indian author and very much an Indian book. It's basically a fable about fulfilling your dreams and reaching your destiny. We are all in the materialistic life, and there is okay, because that's the way the world is moving. Although this book will take you to the right direction, to the right path, and that is be a kind of act. Be in the nature, being on the path of spirituality. Guys, this book has really helped me how my mindset to be calm, how to make myself always in a peace, be in self-satisfaction and the beauty of the nature. It is a really a wonderful book. I would say everyone should read. Be a good human being. That's this book's real outcome is. And there are so many valuable, important things which which are based on nature, which are based on spirituality, which are based on act of kindness. But once that becomes the part of my daily life, today I really found my person a blessed person with all harmony, all love and all peace. So do read this book. It's one of the favorite of my book, and I'm sure you also gonna love it. The fifth one is the one of the most amazing book. The title says, What Got You Here, What Got You There, by author of Marshall Goldsmith. He's one of the very favorite author of mine, by the way. So in this book, the very amazing thing is like, we are must be in some mid of our goal or mid of some our dream. We are taking regular actions, but still we might be not reaching that point which we have decided. And you know what? This book is very, very useful and very powerful, because the very first things I come to know from this book is about my bad 20 habits. Yes, though this 20 bad habits has been mentioned. So when you drop that, then you get out to a new person, that person which will support you to take towards your goals. Not only those 20 bad habits, but also 4 very valuable: your self-image, how you think about yourself, how you give the importance to yourself, what are you thinking right now about yourself. So I'm not telling you the right thing which the book is saying, I'm just giving a little idea what this book is all about. And yes, this is the book. If you're a student, if you're an employee, if you're a business, whatsoever you are, you will get present that how the dreams are easy, but it's only your own self stopping towards to reach that goal. Must read and enjoy. So guys, ये थी मेरी वो 5 किताबें जिन्होंने पर्सनली मेरी सेल्फ इमेज को इम्प्रूव करने में बहुत सपोर्ट करा. Well, I am pretty sure if you are also readers, you must be also having some books जिसको पढ़ने के बाद आपने अपने आप में बहुत ज़्यादा improvements, बहुत सारी changes देखी होंगी. Do kindly share with me, because I am a book lover. I would like to read those books also जो आप मुझे suggest करेंगे. Also guys, I'm going to make the summary on these books. So please let me know which books you want me to make the summary first. Also, I'm really so much thankful to all of you, the way you are supporting my channel. You are giving your valuable suggestions and feedbacks. It's really matter a lot for me, because I'm so much new on this journey, on this venture. So yes, keep on pouring those your positive or even the critics is there. I would welcome that, because that's at the end gonna improve my quality, my work. Because at the end, we are family. That's the way I think about you. Same I think you do also. So guys, we will meet next Sunday at the same time. Till then, enjoy the week and do take care of yourself. Bye.